Well, I came to the park here to do my pull-ups, and this is how much snow there is in Morningside Park. Yes, I still need a band assistance bar, but yeah, this is something else. And beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm just thinking in the apartment that as my roommate is snoring up or sneezing up a storm, that why snow is so beautiful. It's because it just brings silence to the city, it brings silence to a lot. And to gaze and look, and it's just like, you know, this too shall pass, but wow, it is so beautiful. Unbelievable. So lucky. But yeah, all the exercise equipment is covered over. Anyway, another rep.